Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point spleen 3. It's proximal and inferior to the head of the first metatarsal bone at the junction of the red and white skin. If you take your finger down the side of your big toe and run it towards your heel, the first protrusion is going to be that metatarsal bone. Now the point is not on top of the bone, but it's just over the side of the bone as the skin becomes tender. So this point is a tonification point, and typically you will use the clockwise motion to tonify spleen chi. I use the earth element stick, which has pure essential oils that help to activate the point and help make your acupressure treatment ever so much more effective. To learn more about acupressure, go to Ageless Herbs, click on the Learn About tab and Acupressure Directions. There you're going to find all the details on the different techniques you use with acupressure, and you're going to find each acupressure point with ailments that they treat and other combinations that you can use to treat specific conditions. At Ageless Herbs, you're also going to find the acupressure sticks with the essential oils that help to make your treatments more effective. So go to Ageless Herbs shop and acupressure tools. Thank you for watching this video. We love likes, and we hope you'll subscribe so you can learn more about acupressure. Have a lovely day.